Good boy. Yay. Yay. Let's turn around a little bit. Yay. Is that nice? Delicious. Delicious. Yeah, look at that mess. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Ah, good boy. Good boy. Is that nice? Okay. Lovely. What's that doing? 1, 2, 3. Yeah. See how he opens his mouth for it?
I do see how he opens his mouth for it.
Clever boy. I don't know that he actually eats any, he just sort of gets a taste, I think. But he knows to open his mouth to put it in. Is that nice? Yum 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 yeah. I'm sure just as much comes out as goes in sometimes. Hey. Yay! Yeah! Yeah! Are you ready? Here it comes. Here's the plane. Move your hands, move your hands, move your hands. Can't see. Yay! Delicious. Delicious. Yeah, we're loving it. We're loving it, we are. What'd you say? Thank you for my dinner. It's lovely. Oh, okay. We'll put that on there. That's fine. Are you ready? Are you ready for some more? Give me those hands. Oh, you're covered. Oh well. Oh well. 1, 2, 3. Wow. That's it. What do you think? Yay! Yay! He's good at this, isn't he, Daddy?
Yes, he is. If by good you mean spitting it all out and being disgusting.
Yes, we do. Yeah.
Out it comes. There we go.
Not quite got it sussed yet, has he? Trying to eat your bib? Are you trying to eat your butternut squash off your bib? Oh, missed that one, didn't we? Missed that one. Are you ready? Here's the train. Choo choo! Yay! Brilliant! It tastes nice, I can spit it out and everything. Yeah! Brilliant! Not bad considering we've just had our injections, our jabs, and we felt rubbish. Are you ready? Choo-choo! You're not interested now? What are you looking at? Choo-choo! Yeah, good boy. Good boy. Nice. Yeah, nice. I reckon out of the spoon that goes in his mouth, probably 1/5 of it actually gets swallowed. You're pulling your bib off, monkey. What are you saying? What are you saying? Do you like it? Let's attach you to the... What? Are you getting angry with me? Are you getting angry with me? Here we go. Toby. Toby, look. Here comes the thing. Oh, you pulled your bib right off. You see you're a monkey. You're a monkey. Right, here we go.
Alright, last one for the camera, make it a good one.
Okay. Do you hear that, Toby? You're on show. Get ready, get steady. It's covered in it. Yeah? You're going to have to change your top before Auntie Julia gets here.
I think we're getting a bit tired.
Yeah, I think
Yeah.
so. Are you ready? Oh. Oh, boy.